The man had to have faith. Stay with me. Again, he had no point of reference of nobody ever getting healed or being paralyzed. He had to have faith when his four buddies say, okay, we can't get you to the door. We're going to drop you down through the roof. Y'all know I'm crazy. Can you run it through his mind? Y'all going to lift me up where he already paralyzed y'all. He had... Could you imagine if they would have dropped the brother who was already paralyzed? He had to have faith enough to know and trust his friends that they could get him to the answer. You need some friends around you, not associates, not homegirls, not partners. You need some faith friends around you who are able to get you to the place where you can get some answers. And I want to tell you, Jesus is that kind of friend. You need to turn to somebody and say, are you that kind of friend? Can you help me when I need you the most? I don't need you to tell me what I can't do. I don't need to tell you what I can't be. I need you to help me and build up my faith and tell you, baby, you can do it. You can come out of this. You can go through this. Anybody got any faith friends in the house? Let me wrap this up. They dropped him down. And the Bible says, and Jesus saw their faith. Read the text for yourself. Doc, they never said nothing. They didn't cry out like the two blind beggars and saying, Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me. They didn't cry out like the two people I mentioned last week. The centurion who asked Jesus to come heal his servant, and the woman who just asked for crumbs that fell from the master's table. They didn't say a word, and yet in their silence, he saw their faith. What did he see? He saw their tenacity. He saw that they were willing to do something. Y'all, faith ain't about articulation. It's about action. Faith ain't about what you teach. Faith is about what you do. Faith is about if you're willing to step out even when the odds say you can't do it and you can't make it. Somebody give God a praise even in the house. I end with this. We're getting ready. Don't even think that after 3 months of teaching that you ain't going to go through a test. Something, and my wife mentioned it this morning in our inner circle, something is going to have to trigger your faith.